Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can give access to your site on WordPress, so let's get right into it. Now, to give access to somebody as a contributor and not as just a visitor, you can do it really easily, and you just need to add them to your users on your WordPress dashboard. So once you're logged into WordPress, go ahead and go into users, hover over it, and click on add new user. This will bring you here. If you just go to all users, I'm pretty sure you'll have the option to add a user somewhere here, but I can't find it. As you can see, you can add an existing user. However, I'm not really sure where you can add the other one, so just go to add new user. And here what you need to do is you just need to enter their email and select the role that they will have, and then you just need to add the existing user. Now, as you can see, I haven't invited anyone yet, and I'm probably just going to enter some bogus email. So for example, tutorial email at gmail.com. I'm going to set them as a contributor and click add existing user, and they are not an existing user, so it might not work. But as you can see, I do have that invite over here in my list. Of course, that's not going to happen at all because this user here does not exist. However, once they accept that invite, they will be officially added to your site. And that is pretty much all you need to do. It is as easy as that. If they don't get it, they can check their spam or other folders on their inbox. If they can't find it still, just click the resend button, and that should resend the invite. And once that's done, they should be able to see it either in their spam or in their inbox. If not, then just wait for a couple of minutes, 15 to 20 minutes, maybe even longer, for the invite to arrive. And if it still doesn't, then I'm really not sure how to fix that. But yeah, if you just want to delete somebody, if you invited them by accident, just click delete, and that'll delete that invite. And that is pretty much all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.